ready? Okay, hold on. Ready? Oh, giddy up, Horsey. Giddy up, Horsey. Yay!
Taylor.
Hang on. Uh-oh, sliding off. Giddy up. Yay! Giddy up. Woo. Okay, we're watermelon. That's it.
This one is more expensive. So
Oh, I like that one. See the dark floors? I love it.
I like how I
Taylor. Hi.
guess I just don't like the color.
Hi, Taylor.
This
Got your cantaloupe there? Yum, yum. You love it. You love it.
Yeah.
You got anything to say?
Oh, that's a hard wood.
Hi.
There's no,
There she comes.
that's just so, okay, it's all right. There's no personality.
All right.
More expensive than
Oh, you got a Kleenex. Look at you.
I just like personality a little bit.
this one has extra room. This last thing
Kleenex.
It just has personality. When you come in, it's like, wow. I guess so. You can make it work. 34, huh?
All right, bye-bye.
Oh, I definitely have to do
Bye-bye.